without a little bit of snow. So Katie, what can you tell me about the weather?
Yeah, it's definitely starting to look like a winter wonderland out there. We do have that winter weather advisory in effect until 3 a.m. and we're after a beautiful afternoon. The temperatures are starting to fall down away from the 65-degree mark, and the temperatures will get down into the 40s overnight. Step out the door tonight, you'll be seeing those blue skies that you saw for your Sunday continuing into this evening. Our temperatures are nearly 70 degrees, 67 here in Mount Pleasant, Clare, 66 in Big Rapids. Now, tonight will be a beautiful evening if you want to take a night and have a campfire. Those winds will be calm. 8 p.m. will be 2 miles per hour winds. And you can see that cold Arctic air is starting to push its way in. We're not going to see anything quite this cold for our area, but we will see the teens. And important thing, you might want to grab some hot cocoa because it's going to stay chilly as we go throughout tonight and into tomorrow and through the coming days, which Amber will discuss coming up in the full forecast. We saw a lot of rain this morning. An umbrella was definitely your friend. So yeah, over into Canada is seeing the bulk of that rain right now. Zooming in, we have just a few spotty showers along the region in our viewing area. So not much to worry about. Just keep that umbrella handy as we go into the rest of your evening. And with that, we also have a wind advisory for the Bay County areas. But right now, temperatures, they are dropping. We're feeling 31 here in Mount Pleasant, a little warmer down in Lansing. But it's what it feels like is the problem. Temperatures, 25, 20 in Big Rapids. That is really chilly. You might want to have a jacket, hat, gloves if you're going outside for a walk tonight, because those winds are going to continue blowing. And as I mentioned earlier, we do have some of those winter weather advisories out for much of the counties here. Isabella, Clare, Gratiot, all seeing winter weather advisories, and for our eastern half of the state, those wind advisories because we are seeing some gusty conditions, and you can expect those to expire later this evening. So if we take a look at our sky tracker, the reason for that winter weather advisory, we can see that much of the western portion, even extending over to Lake Huron, we're seeing some lake effect conditions as that low pressure spins its way out to the east coast and leaving behind those northwesterly winds, bringing that lake effect to us. We are still keeping an eye on that snow that's just ever so slowly creeping its way into our area. Over the past few minutes, we are starting to see some heavier bands working their way into the viewing area. And if you're wanting to get out there this evening, just make sure you're giving yourself some extra time as that snow does work its way in, because 6 p.m., we're at 33 degrees, just above freezing, so you might want to look for areas that might have some freezing rain mixed in there. But as we get into the midnight hours, we will start to drop below freezing with snow. We're expecting that snow to work its way in throughout the night. For our temperatures, though, we see the decrease through the night and day. And I want you to see that we start to see warmer temperatures down here in the Chicago area, 47 degrees. So this is Wednesday at 5 p.m. We're going to start to see those warmer temperatures as well. So we'll actually start to see that snow turn over to rain by Wednesday. But we do have a break in the snow for your Tuesday. So 5:30 p.m., that snow's working its way in the area. By midnight, you can see that it's pretty much moved off to the east. Just a few spotty showers of snow remaining. And as we get into your morning hours, by 9 a.m., your morning commute, those roads will probably be a bit slippery, but nothing should be falling out of the sky. Cloudy conditions will remain, and you'll see some patchy clouds breaking up as we work into Tuesday evening, break of sun and clouds, and that's a similar story that you'll see going into most of Wednesday. By 5 p.m. Wednesday, there's the rain that I was mentioning just a few seconds ago. With those warmer temperatures, you'll start to see some of that as we work in. So just take a look. We're not expecting too much precipitation in terms of snow. By midday tomorrow, we'll have just 2.5 inches, a few localized areas. Those sidewalks, they're going to be a bit snowy and wet tomorrow in the morning. For your extended forecast, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you will start to see those temperatures start to rise again as we will see some rain. And the weekend, you'll start to see some more sunshine.